Personal protective equipment, or PPE, is essential in medical settings to protect healthcare workers from exposure to infectious agents, hazardous materials, and other risks associated with patient care. PPE includes a range of items designed to create barriers that minimize the risk of exposure to bloodborne pathogens, respiratory pathogens, and other infectious materials. These protective barriers are crucial in maintaining the safety and health of both healthcare workers and patients, ensuring that the spread of infections is contained within healthcare environments, which is what we're going to discuss in this quick video. One of the primary components of PPE is gloves, which protect the hands from contact with blood, bodily fluids, and contaminated surfaces. Gloves are often made of latex, nitrile, or vinyl and are used during patient examinations, surgical procedures, and when handling potentially infectious materials. Proper use and disposal of gloves are critical to preventing cross-contamination between patients and surfaces. Masks are another vital element of PPE, particularly in protecting against respiratory infections. Surgical masks and N95 respirators are commonly used in healthcare settings. Surgical masks are designed to protect the wearer from large droplets, splashes, and sprays, while also preventing the spread of the wearer's respiratory emissions. N95 respirators offer a higher level of protection by filtering out at least 95% of airborne particles, including smaller aerosolized particles. These respirators are essential in situations where healthcare workers are exposed to airborne pathogens, such as during the treatment of patients with tuberculosis or COVID-19. Gowns and aprons provide additional protection for healthcare workers' skin and clothing. These garments are typically used during procedures that are likely to generate splashes of blood or other bodily fluids. Gowns are made of fluid-resistant materials and are worn over regular clothing, while aprons are often used in conjunction with gowns for extra protection. Proper donning and doffing techniques are crucial to prevent contamination during the removal process. Face shields and goggles protect the mucous membranes of the eyes, nose, and mouth from exposure to infectious agents. Face shields cover the entire face, providing a barrier against splashes and sprays, while goggles offer a secure fit around the eyes. These items are particularly important during procedures that generate aerosols or splashes, such as intubations or suctioning. In addition to these primary components, PPE can also include items like shoe covers and head covers, which provide further protection in specific healthcare settings, such as operating rooms or isolation units. The use of PPE in healthcare is governed by strict guidelines and protocols to ensure that it is used effectively. Training and education on the current use of PPE are essential for healthcare workers to minimize the risk of infection and ensure their own safety, as well as the safety of their patients. But, as previously mentioned, personal protective equipment in healthcare is a comprehensive set of tools designed to protect healthcare workers from a variety of hazards. Its proper use is a cornerstone of infection control, reducing the risk of transmission of infectious agents and ensuring a safe environment for both healthcare providers and patients. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And there should be some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right about now that I think you will enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.